Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to insert bullets and numbering by using the keyboard. First we have to insert the bullets. Just type here steric and press tab key. Now you can insert your product. If you want to insert another bullets, just type dash and press tab key. If you want to insert the numbering, you have to type 1 and bracket on and press tab key. And now you can type the product 1, product 1 and product 2. If you want to insert the alphabet, you have to type A and bracket on and press tab key. That's way you can insert bullets and numbering by using the keyboard. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.